Equidox, PDF Accessibility Solutions.
How to write effective tooltips for accessible PDF forms. One of the most frequently overlooked but critically important elements of accessible PDF forms is the tooltip. Tooltips provide essential guidance that helps every user, including those using assistive technology, understand what information each form field requires. If you've ever filled out a digital form and found yourself thinking, wait, what am I supposed to put here? You've experienced what happens when a tooltip is missing or unclear. When someone using assistive technology, such as a screen reader, interacts with a fillable PDF form, the interface behaves in two fundamentally different modes: reading mode and edit mode. These modes are separate and each play a specific role in how form fields are presented and understood. Reading mode is useful for letting users understand the form's context, instructions, and layout before they enter values. In reading mode, the assistive technology, or AT, user hears the document content, including field descriptions, which are visible labels, such as first name or date of birth, as part of navigating the form layout. The tooltip information, which tells the user what to fill in each field, is not read in reading mode. Only the description and/or label is available in reading mode. Edit mode is where the user can actually enter data into the form field. In this mode, the AT focuses on the tooltip associated with that field, because the description or visible label is typically not reread by the screen reader in edit mode. Users often cannot seamlessly toggle between modes and return to the same reading position. That's why it's critical that both modes carry explicit, relevant information. Additionally, form field descriptions and tooltips are not the same. These two attributes of PDF forms may sound similar, but they serve different purposes, and both must be implemented correctly for full accessibility. Field descriptions and tooltips are only available in their own respective modes, though assistive technology users can toggle back and forth between the two modes. The description is the visible label or prompt adjacent to the field, for example, name. It is tagged as text in the document so that assistive technology in reading mode can announce it. It provides context in reading mode but doesn't substitute for detailed instructions on how to fill the field in edit mode. The tooltip is metadata attached to the form field itself. When the user enters edit mode, the screen reader reads the tooltip to tell the user exactly what to enter. For example, enter date in month, day, year format. The tooltip must be precise and include formatting instructions or clarifications if necessary. Good tooltips support the following: clarity, so users don't guess what's needed; accuracy, reducing mistakes or incomplete submissions; compliance, meeting WCAG, Section 508, and ADA accessibility standards. So what makes a good tooltip? The best tooltips are short, specific, and describe the expected input. Here are a few simple rules to follow. Be descriptive, not generic. For example, enter text is too generic, but enter your first name is appropriately descriptive. Include formatting instructions if needed. Enter date is too generic. Instead, write enter date in month, day, year format, which gives users clear instructions. Clarify what the field is for. Number is unclear. Enter the number of employees in your department is clear and specific. Avoid redundancy. Don't just repeat the field label if another field already says email. Instead, specify enter your work email address. Use plain language. Write like you're explaining it to someone over the phone. Here are some examples of effective tooltips. Name field. A clear tooltip might read, enter your full legal name. This works because it removes guesswork. No confusion about nicknames or initials. Date field. A clear tooltip might read, Enter your birth date in month, day, day, year format. This works because it specifies both the type of date and the format required. Address field. A clear tooltip might read, enter your street address, including apartment or unit number. This works because it prompts the user to include essential details often forgotten. Phone number field. A clear tooltip might read, enter a 10-digit phone number, including area code. Why it works. It ensures consistency and reduces invalid inputs. File upload field. A clear tooltip might read, upload your signed consent form in PDF format under 5 MB. This works because it specifies both the file type and the limit, no trial and error. Optional checkbox. A clear tooltip might read, select this box to receive email updates about your account. This works because it explains the purpose of the checkbox, not just that it exists. In Equidocs, adding a tooltip is quick and simple. Open your form in Equidocs. Click the Form Field zone. In the Properties panel, find the Tooltip field. Type your descriptive text, just like the examples we covered. Save and export your PDF. When someone uses a screen reader like JAWS or NVDA, that tooltip will be read automatically when they tab into the field in edit mode. Equidocs' intuitive interface makes it easy to ensure every form field has an accurate, specific tooltip. No manual tag tree editing needed. Tooltips aren't just a best practice, they're essential for compliance and usability. Without them, people using assistive technology might not know what a field requires, leading to incomplete or incorrect submissions. Specific tooltips show that your organization values inclusion and accessibility, not just compliance checkboxes. When everyone can complete your forms independently, you save time, reduce support calls, and improve user satisfaction. By writing better tooltips, you're helping make digital information accessible to everyone and meeting compliance requirements. To view more PDF accessibility videos, subscribe to our channel. For more information on how Equidocs can make PDF accessibility easy, visit our website at www.equidocs.co.
Equidocs, PDF Accessibility Solutions.